Hello everyone, welcome to Live Mechanical Jobs. Today I'm going to show few of the live jobs which have been updated in this website. And this is the third video which I'm uploading in this YouTube channel, and I thank each and everyone who has subscribed to this channel, and I encourage all others to subscribe to this YouTube channel and get benefited with all the future live jobs which will get updated in this YouTube channel. So in this video I'm going to show you the opportunities that are available in government private sectors, and starting with freshers, experience, and also the internship jobs also will get explained in this video, so stay connected with the video. Let's start. By clicking on search jobs here, you'll get into this page where firstly let's start with government jobs. So by clicking on government option here, you'll be getting this jobs listed. So let's start with junior executives and managers. So by clicking here, so the page got loaded, and this is a government job from Airports Authority of India, New Delhi. So this is a job where you can apply till January 14 to 2021. So to apply to this job, just click on the apply now button here. By clicking on apply now, official notification will get opened. So as you see, this is an official notification from Airport Authority of India, for which I'll be showing you the eligible jobs for the mechanical engineers. So the first one, which is for the manager fire services, for which BE, BTech mechanical engineers are eligible, for which 5 years of experience is required and has 11 total vacancies. For the second job, manager technical, BE, BTech mechanical engineers are eligible, for which 5 years of work experience is required and has 2 vacancies. And coming to the fifth serial number, junior executive technical, for which BE, BTech mechanical engineers are eligible, and even freshers can apply to this job, and 8 vacancies are available for this job. So the last date to apply is on January 14, 2021. So before this date you can apply. So by clicking on apply now, this official notification will get open, and by getting through this details, you'll get to know how to apply and what are the limitations and age limit for the job. So let's get to the next job. The second job is from Defense Research and Development Organization, DRDO. They have jobs for mechanical engineers and diploma engineers. So let's get into it. So coming to the first one, for the diploma mechanical engineers, they have opening for application for engagement and apprenticeship, and for this the last date is on December 9th, and for mechanical engineers they have 4 variety jobs for which each of them has each last date. So let's get into on how to apply this thing. So by clicking on apply now, an official site from DRDO careers page will get open, in which I'll be showing you. Firstly I'll show you with the diploma mechanical engineers. So this is the official notification for diploma engineers, for which they have 2 openings for the location of Ambernath, For the second the second job is for mechanical engineers, for which they have opening for junior research fellow at the location Ahmednagar. And so by clicking on the third serial number in this page, here is the official notification from DRDO for this position. So for junior research fellowship for mechanical engineering, they have 6 positions, for which the date of interview is on January 4, 2021. And in the same way, coming to the next job, this one for the Bangalore online interview, and here is the notification. So by clicking on it, we get an advertising official notification and form to apply here. So for this Bangalore positions, the selection is made on the basis of online interview through video conferencing. So for this junior research fellow job position, BE BTech mechanical engineers with first division with valid NET and GATE qualification is required, and also MTech mechanical engineers also eligible. And here are the full details about this job. So in the description you'll find the link for these jobs. And so let's get into the next jobs, which is the private sector jobs, which I'll be explaining. So as you see in the video this far, I suggest you to bookmark this website by clicking on this star symbol here and in your mobile and also in the desktop. So the first private sector job which I'm going to show is for the position lead mechanical design engineer. So by clicking on it, so we get to load this page, and this is from the company Thales India Engineering Competency Center, which is for the location Bangalore. So they have the requirement for the lead mechanical design engineer, and they are expecting at least 6 years to 15 years of experienced people. So in this role you will be responsible for generating electromechanical system for radars and other defense products to meet the customer requirements. So in this way they have few requirements and for the job role, and they must have a strong experience in product design and development, and they require a 3D CAD modeling, CATIA version 5, and these are the tools which this company is expecting for a candidate to have. And you can briefly get through this job description, and I'll be placing the link in the description for this job. Let's get to the next one. So the second private job is for the position senior static equipment engineer, and this is also for the location Bangalore, and this is from the company ExxonMobil, and this is a job description for which they are expecting at least 15 years of experience in oil and gas refining and so on with the industries. And to apply to this job, just click on apply now, so that it takes you to the official website where you can apply to this job by clicking on here. So let's get to the next job. So the third private job is for the position assistant mechanical engineer for the location Singapore. So by clicking on it, you'll get to see the job description and eligible criteria for applying to this job. So here they require at least 3 years of experience for the qualifications of BTech and Diploma Mechanical Engineers, and this is from the company of Nestle. As we know, it's a well-known company. So to apply to this job, just click on apply now. So it takes you to the official website of Nestle where you can apply to this job. By clicking on here, it takes you to the application form where you can apply to this job. So let's get to the next job. Stay connected to this video because the upcoming jobs are for the positions and experience of freshers and interns also. So coming to the fourth private job, it is for the position mechanical design engineer, and this is from the company of Crador Labs, and for the location of Bangalore. So the job description, they are expecting the ideal candidate will craft, draft and design product layouts and schemes using design team specifications and recommendations. This individual will test products and make adjustments where necessary. And the responsibilities of the eligible candidate is like develop a design in CAD softwares and develop a mechanism for products, access the feasibility of product design, create prototype and prepare test reports. Knowledge of simulation is a must for this job, and qualifications are bachelor's degree in mechanical engineering, and at least 2 years of experience is required, and the person should have strong knowledge of mechanical parts and computer aided design. So to apply to this job, just click on apply now here. So it takes you to the official LinkedIn application form, and apply it just with one click. So let's get to the next job. So the fifth private sector job is for the position project engineer for the location Chennai, Tamil Nadu. So by clicking on it, you get to see the job description where they require creating mechanical design of semiconductor based solutions for AC and DC used in our HVDC transmissions. So as part of your daily tasks, you will work with technically challenging products which span over several technological areas. For example, heat transfer, electrical insulation, strength or materials, and manufacturing technologies. You will be responsible for specifying tests and ensuring execution is according to current standards and current customer specifications. So living core values of safety and integrity, which means taking responsibility for your own actions while caring for your colleagues and the business. So for the eligibility is bachelor's degree in mechanical engineering, and the person should have at least 2 years of experience within mechanical design, and the software required is 3D CAD modeling, and ideally in NX environment. It is preferable if you have good knowledge in Teamcenter and SAP as well. Preferably understanding applications of electrical power equipment in EHV systems. So please go through this description, and if you are eligible, just by clicking on apply now, you will get to. So the sixth private job is for the position mechanical interns for the location of Pune, and this is from the company India First Robotics. So they require mechanical interns, and the description is like, we feel that we have a commitment toward enhancing your knowledge levels and provide real work experience to deserving engineers ETC and mechanical and MBA who want to make it big in their life and have a right attitude as well as attitude. So they do not charge for any interns, and if you fit for this criteria, so by applying here they will get back to you. So by clicking on apply now, this form will pop up in which you can enter the details of you and attach your resume, so that all the details will be sent to the HR mail ID. And so I'll show you an example on how to send an resume. So if your name is xxx @gmail.com, and write your phone number, and in this message box you can type whatever the information you want to write to an HR, and attach your resume, and then just click on apply now, so that your resume will be sent to the HR. And also by clicking on this official website here, you can also apply it from the website. So let's get to the next job. So the 7th private job is for the location Pune, from the company Micro Supreme Auto Industries Private Limited. So they have multiple positions. So by clicking on apply now, you will be redirected to their official website, for which they have list of multiple openings, for which I'll be showing you now. So the first job is tooling engineer. So they require 3 to 5 years of experience candidates, and BE diploma mechanical engineers are eligible for this. And here is the description. Just click on apply now here, so you can apply. And for the second job from the same company is CNC and VMC operator. So they are expecting 2 to 4 years of experienced candidates, for which ITI diploma mechanical engineers and bachelor degree holders are eligible. Go through this description and apply it from here. And the third job is the calibration engineer. They require 2 to 3 years of experienced candidates, for which B mechanical and industrial engineers are eligible. Go through the description, and also you can apply by clicking on this button. And the fourth job in the list is for machine operators, and for which ITI fitter and diploma mechanical engineers are eligible, and for which 2 to 3 years is required. And go through this description and click on apply, so that you can apply to these jobs. So let's get to the next job. So the 8th private job is for the position process designer for the location Chennai. The company is MekiCAD Engineering Private Limited. So they require 2 years plus experienced candidates, and they offer salary from 18,000 to 20,000. And even this company has 2 positions, and this is for the location Chennai. And the skill set that's required is AutoCAD. And the job profile is drafting of process flow diagram, drafting of utility flow diagram, drafting of interconnecting P and ID, and so on. So you can contact the HRs with these numbers. So to apply to this job, just click on apply now. So the form will get pop up. So as shown previously, just fill up the details and attach your resume, so that your resume will get sent to the HRs. And HR's email ID is also will be placed in the description, so that you can apply directly from there, or by clicking this form and filling this form will also be sent to the HR. So let's get to the next job. So the ninth private job is for the positions design engineer and CAE engineer. So this is from the company Ace Brain Technologies Private Limited, and for the location Pune. So they have multiple position openings for which the first design engineer they require a skill set for SolidWorks, automation, industrial manufacturing, SPM, heavy structured engineering equipment design engineer. And for the second opening for CAE, they require candidates from 3 to 5 years of experience in structural analysis of components, subsystems and systems in automotive engine, power, genset industry. So to apply to this job, just click on apply now. You'll get to see those both openings in this list here, and also others. So this company has five different position openings, for which the first one is design engineer, second CAE engineer, third is also design engineer, but for the experience 3 to 4 years, and the first design engineer for 1 to 2 years, and even senior design engineer, which is for experience 6 to 8 years, and another senior design engineer for engine and transmission of 4 to 7 years experience are required. And here are those descriptions for each particular job description, and here is the list of the skills that are required, and these are the eligibility qualification, and here is the location for which the opening is for Pune. So to apply to this job, just click on this apply now buttons here, so that you can attach your resumes and proceed to the further application process. So let's get to the next job. The 10th private job is for the position mechanical engineer for the company Intel Corporation. So they have their opening in Bangalore, Karnataka, and they have given a brief description on what responsibilities and qualifications are required to apply to this job. So the qualification is for bachelor's and master's in mechanical engineer or equivalent, and the person should have minimum of 5 to 15 years of experience to apply to this job. And to apply to this job, just click on apply now button here, and you will be redirected to the official LinkedIn page of Intel Corporation. So just go through the description here, and just click on apply now. And yeah, thank you so much for watching this video till this far. I suggest you to subscribe to this channel for all the latest live mechanical jobs, and I'll be placing all the job links which I have explained in this video in the description. Just click on them and apply in the process which I have shown in this video.